science lab will often come and do experiments to teach the kids biblical truths. For this lesson, we taught the children all about God keeping His promises. Now when people make a promise, it's just like taking a sparkler and putting it in the water. It won't stay lit, because as people, we sometimes break our promises. But God never breaks His promise. So when we put that sparkler in the water, it continues to burn, because God never breaks His promise. Even if it seems impossible, even if it seems like it'll never happen, if God made the promise, God will keep the promise. Now in order to pull this object lesson off, you take a sparkler, maybe 2, maybe 3, and you wrap it in sticky tape. This sticky tape will protect it from the water. But keep in mind, the gas will build up, and if that gas catches a light, it could cause a really big flame. So keep the children to sit a bit of a distance away and make sure you've got some stuff in place just in case something goes wrong. And practice it at home a few times just to make sure you know what you're doing. Remember, if the children ask you, you need to tell them that we don't do magic. It's a science experiment. Tell them how it works, but tell them not to try it at home.